Brixton Motorcycles officially presents its newest motorbike, the Brixton Crossfire 500, a middle-class motorbike with a 500cc engine and has a very simple appearance. In terms of appearance, this motorbike is like a scrambler motorbike with a retro impression. Finger in appearance, the latest Brixton Motorcycles Europe motorbike reminds us of the Husqvarna Svartpilen 250-2021. Both of them take a similar concept and segment. Twice as large as Svartpilen 250 Brixton Crossfire engine with a capacity of 486cc with a 2-cylinder inline configuration, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, and a 6-speed transmission. This engine is capable of releasing quite a lot of power, reaching 35 kilowatts or around 47.59 PS at 8,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 43 Newton meters at 6,750 revolutions per minute with a weight of up to 180 kilograms. This motorbike can be driven up to a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour. If you look at the engine base used by the 2021 Brixton Crossfire 500, it is indeed similar to the 2021 Gooken Flame 500. This is not surprising because Gooken himself has indeed spread his wings to Europe under the Brixton Motorcycles flag. And the engine base used is the same, namely the Gooken 500 series. In addition to a fairly powerful engine, the Brixton Crossfire 500 also comes with powerful features, starting from the LED light system, upside-down front suspension and monoshock rear suspension. Rear brake diameter of 240 mm. Here are some other features. Powered engine with a capacity of 486cc LED headlights with LED DRL minimalist round digital speedometer braking system made by J1 from Spain, anti-lock brake system, ABS braking system, upside-down suspension made by Kayaba from Japan. In addition to the features above, the Brixton Crossfire 500 also comes with adjustable brake-in clutch levers. The exhaust system is also made of stainless steel and uses tubeless tires from Pirelli. For the front tire size itself is 120/70ths, while the rear tires are 160/60ths with a diameter of 17 inches. Don't miss the fuel tank. Apart from being present in the standard type, the Brixton Crossfire also comes with the highest type, namely the Brixton Crossfire 500. The difference between the two types is the graphic striping, rear fender, shape of the drivers and pillion seats, and also the use of a wider wing for the highest type. Brixton Motorcycles recently started designing its own bikes thanks to parent company KSR Group's new design studio in Krems, Austria. Developed by the KSR Group design team, the Crossfires were the first result of that process, emulating the concept bike in nearly every way. That means the tracker's relatively sleek retro aesthetic packed into a basic tube steel frame with a beefy tail, spoked wheels, rounded headlamps, and what Brixton calls the uniquely shaped fuel tank-shaped design highlights. The company wanted to point out that the X-Tank is meant to serve as Brixton Motorcycles' signature design language going forward, and all Brixton vehicles with the new X-Tank design will be called Crossfire, creating a sort of independent vehicle sub-series in the lineup. That's all well and good, But if you like, also can't help but pay attention to another design feature. The Crossfire's eerie resemblance to Husqvarna's Svartpilen, minus the trellis frame. Makes you wonder how far the KSR design studio is from Mattinghofen. In any case, straight seat lines are visible on both models, although the saddle and actual materials are different on the X. And even with all the retro styling, the Crossfire 500 still manages to incorporate LED headlights and indicators, and a digital speedometer. Also of note is the fact that the Crossfires are packing the Brixton's largest engine to date, a completely new water-cooled 486cc inline twin, which is said to be good for 47 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 31.7 pound-feet of torque at 6,700 revolutions per minute. That places it firmly in the UK's A2 license category for riders aged 19-24 and limits the bike to the 47 bhp Crossfire marketed for Europe. The new DOHC plant was developed over a 2-year period and is currently Euro 4 compliant, with Euro 5 certification said to be coming by the end of the year.